lockdown quarantine, and we decided to change the ceiling fan, the ceiling fan in our living room. And this is our old ceiling fan. It was Allen and Roth. We like it, but I wanted something that was a little more sophisticated. So we have this lamp that I ordered from Houzz, and it's actually not a lamp, it's a Fandelier. And I am waiting for my boyfriend to put it together, and as such, our living room is like a mess right now. This is what we're working with. Once the chandelier goes up, I cannot wait to see how it looks. So yeah, on with the installation. And the new chandelier is hung, and this is how it is looking so far, and we absolutely love it, don't we, baby?
Yes.
All right, guys, so here is our finished product, our absolutely gorgeous Fandelier. It's a chandelier fan, thus Fandelier. Absolutely love it. The crystals give it so much glam, so much sparkle, and it is a great addition to our family room. Don't you think so, baby?
Yes.
All right, light it up. Let's see what it looks like lit. Oh my gosh, it's so bright in here. Oh my gosh, I love it. But we're gonna have to put this on a dimmer like we have in the kitchen. Don't you think so?
Quite costly. Turn on the fan now.
All right, we're turning on the fan, and as you can see, they rotate out as the fan comes up to speed. That's one. You want to put it on two? And is that two?
Yes.
All right, and three. Oh my goodness, love it, love it, love it. So this Fandelier gets a thumbs up from us. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think of the chandelier. Also, please give thumbs up to the handyman who put up the Fandelier. He did an awesome job. You did a great job, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that is all we have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye, guys. All right, let's see how it retracts.